Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Zotero Desktop is installed and running. Confirm the version so you know compatibility. Once done, open Zotero Preferences and navigate to the Site or General pane to enable the Browser Connector option. Make sure Chrome is fully closed so the connector can register. Then launch the official Zotero Connector installer, use the Chrome Web Store add-on if prompted, and allow permissions. These actions register protocol handlers and native messaging. That's why closing Chrome first is important. With Chrome open, install the Zotero connector from the store and pin the icon to the toolbar for quick access. Once installed, click the connector icon and grant required permissions, access to tabs and the clipboard so it can save citations and snapshots. Next, switch back to Zotero Desktop and watch for the connector connected status in the top right or under Preferences. If prompted, allow the native messaging host. This step links the browser extension to your local Zotero app, enabling full items. Finish by testing. Open a scholarly page, click the Zotero connector and save an item, then confirm it appears in the Zotero desktop library. If nothing appears, restart both Chrome and Zotero to force the native messaging handshake and try again. Make sure the connector has site access and that your firewall isn't blocking local messaging. If issues persist, reinstall the connector and, in Zotero Preferences, reinstall the native application integration. This usually resolves permission or registration problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.